Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will be tackling the question, how can I start making money online? Stay tuned until the end because I'm about to give you the tactics and the strategies which will help you to start creating a decent income online even if you are a beginner. These tactics work for everyone. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Hit that thumbs up button right now, because that really does motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's start with strategy number 1. Sell print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand or POD allows artists and creators to customize white label products with their own designs without the need to hold inventory. When a customer places an order, a print-on-demand company will then print your design on a product, fulfill the order and ship it to the customer. POD options include t-shirts, mugs, tote bags or fan merchandise. This model lets you create customized products quickly, making it a low risk, low investment way to earn extra income. It is best for creatives who are looking to make money online by monetizing their designs, and influencers who are selling merchandise, and those people seeking to create passive income. The startup time, it can be set up in a few hours and it can be done on an e-commerce platform with a print-on-demand integration like Shopify. In terms of the effort level, it's fairly easy to start if you already have designs to upload, and it's easy to medium to maintain as a business model. Let's now talk about the time to make your first payment. Now, after you sell a product, you can expect to wait a period of around 5 days to receive the funds on most platforms. After you set up a Shopify store, for example, you can browse the many print-on-demand suppliers to compare pricing, quality and product lineup. Most e-commerce platforms require that you are at least 18 years of age. Requirements vary by country and region, but some products may require you to have licenses, permits or certifications. This is an easy online business to scale once you are set up. Let's now move on to strategy number 2, monetize a blog. While many businesses use blogs to help drive traffic to their products, did you know that you can make money online with a blog alone? You can monetize a blog in a number of ways, including generating advertising revenue, using affiliate links, writing sponsored posts in partnership with a brand, or selling merchandise or custom products to an audience. Now, this is best for existing bloggers and writers and those people looking to make money online from home. The startup time, you can do this in a few hours. Now let's talk about the effort to actually get started. It's what you would say medium to start with, but it will take a lot of effort to actually maintain. Now, the time to make your first payment, this will vary depending on how you are monetizing your blog. While blogging can be a low investment, small business idea, it can take time to pay off. I suggest you use SEO practices to drive organic traffic and read more about ways to monetize your blog. You will require a blogging platform. I recommend you choose an interest or a skill that you want to write about. Consider a topic where you can bring a unique perspective and offer value to your readers. Let me now give you some more top tips on how you can monetize your blog. Number 1, make money from online ads. One of the most reliable ways to make money blogging is to use display advertisements, usually web banners and banner ads, throughout your website and collect revenue from each click. The advantage of this option is that it requires minimal effort from the blogger's end. All you need to do is set up an account with an online ads platform and connect it to your website. This is also often referred to as digital display advertising. Using the Google AdSense advertising network, you can define which fields, industries and categories of ads that should be displayed on your blog to ensure that they're a strong fit. In addition, you can design the look of the ads to match the overall design of your blog. When you plan how to make a website and create a blog on a service such as Wix, you can add Google AdSense ads to your blog and generate an income anytime those ads are viewed or clicked. For the ads on your blog to be profitable, make sure that they relate to your audience's interests. If your blog is a type of website which deals with health and wellness, your target audience probably won't feel tempted to click on real estate blog ads. Instead, you'd want to choose ads that promote wellness solutions or health products. Number 2, ask for donations. You can also monetize your blog by asking for donations. While you shouldn't be pushy, you can leave a friendly, transparent note to fans expressing your appreciation for their readership and welcoming their support. Your audience will be especially inclined to support you if you're blogging about a good cause, whether your goal is to promote social justice or support non-profit work. You might feel more comfortable asking for donations if you are able to convey the learning aspect of your content. Being able to provide tangible value to your readers from your content may make them more likely to donate and you be more comfortable with the process. Number 3, become a freelance blogger. Another effective blog monetization strategy is to become a freelance writer for widely read online publications within your niche. Even if your own blog isn't drawing in much traffic yet, your posts serve as a valuable portfolio of your own writing that you can leverage to become a freelancer with other blogs. By using your own content to establish authority and expertise, you can get hired to write for other blogs, and you might even be able to make it a full-time job. Now, to find these opportunities, you can research dedicated freelance writing job boards, online marketplaces for freelance work such as Upwork.com, or reach out to brands directly. Whichever route you take, be sure to provide a link to your own blog to highlight your writing skills and your experience. Let's move on to strategy number 3, sell digital products. Selling digital products is a great way to earn cash with low ongoing effort and low cost. These products include guides, ebooks, templates, online courses, music samples, plans, printables and tutorials that can be delivered digitally in formats like PDF or via login access to an online portal. This is a great option for creatives looking to make money online by selling music or art or selling knowledge. Another example of digital content is recipes and meal plans. As an example, food blogger Lauren Fit Foodie sells this content to her audience through her Instagram. Digital goods are highly scalable with no limit to the number of times that you can sell the same asset to earn money online. If you want to license your product or use licensed materials, be sure to consult with a lawyer or researching licensing laws. You will also require an e-commerce online platform and a digital delivery app from a service such as the Shopify App Store. Here are some different types of digital products to give you some ideas. Number 1, online courses and educational products. Gone are the days of having to sit in a classroom to learn something new. With e-learning platforms like Coursera and Skillshare only a few clicks away, it's easier now more than ever to learn something new wherever and whenever you want. So if you have a unique skill or a passion that you want to share with the world, this is the perfect opportunity to turn your knowledge into an online business. Try hosting monthly webinars, downloadable tutorials, or an online course. Big e-commerce merchant ACLS offers online courses for various medical certifications and accreditations, along with helpful digital resources like practice tests, articles, and videos. Another great way to monetize your knowledge is through podcasts and ebooks. According to Statista, the number of monthly podcast listeners is expected to hit 164 million by 2025, and the number of readers in the e-publishing sector is predicted to reach 1.632.6 million in 2025. And thanks to mobile apps like Spotify, Audible, Amazon Kindle and Scribd, hosting your own product now or self-publishing your own book is accessible to almost anyone. If you already have the reputation as an expert in your field, you can leverage that to attract people to your products. But if you're just starting out, you can always try creating content to give out for free, which can help you get your name out there before you start selling paid digital products. Number 2, licenses for digital assets. Made by creatives for creatives. Licensed digital assets allow individuals and businesses to pay to use someone else's digital property, whether it's stock photos, WordPress themes, infographics, or video footage. As the creator, you can charge for the use of these digital assets, which you can sell through your own storefront, as well as other online marketplaces like stock photography websites, WordPress, or Canva. However, while these platforms do give exposure to your content, be aware that some of them may take a commission from each sale. So if you'd rather create your own storefront, you can try a tool like SendOut, which supports digital product businesses and can auto-generate unique license keys. Number 3, digital tools and templates. Many professionals often don't have the time and the resources to handle all the tasks necessary for their business. Perhaps they lack the expertise or the tools to carry out a specific task. This is where you can step in and save the day. There is a plethora of digital tools and templates that can aid customers in carrying out daily tasks and make their lives easier. Here are just a few examples: plugins, filters and presets for media editors, digital media planners, mobile apps for businesses, graphic design templates for print materials and websites, and fonts, logos, icons and user experience kits. Let's move on to strategy number 4. Become a reseller. Reselling existing products is one of the easiest online making ideas, and it can take many forms. Whether you buy and resell vintage or collectible items or become a certified distributor of a brand in a specific region, you can start selling products without making any of your own. Another option is to curate products from other brands through your own e-commerce store. Say your favourite skincare products for problem skin. A top tip: this model assumes you will be carrying and managing inventory. For a lower investment option, I would suggest to look at dropshipping. You can find brands to resell by consulting wholesale directories or simply reaching out. AliExpress is another option for finding generic trending products to sell under your own brand. These can even sometimes be customized and considered white label products. You will require an online platform to sell your products from, and in some cases you may sign contracts with brands in order to resell. Here is strategy number 5. Try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves sharing affiliate links that you receive from brands to promote their products on your website or social media accounts to earn money online. When someone buys the product after clicking your affiliate link, you receive credit for the referral along with a commission. A solid content marketing strategy around your affiliate links will help you drive visits, clicks and purchases. You can go ahead and sign up for Shopify collabs to get access to brands offering affiliate programs to creators and influencers. Disclaimers are required by the Federal Trade Commission and most reputable affiliate programs. You are required to let your audience know if you are being paid to promote a product. You will require a website, blog or social media presence where you can promote your products and services as an affiliate. Here are some more top tips for affiliate marketing. Number 1. Choose a niche. You must have enough influence to be an affiliate, and one of the best ways to gain a solid following is to have a niche-based website. Pick a topic that interests you and has the potential to generate a substantial side hustle. Examine market trends and what your target audience needs. Using research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Google Trends and SEMrush can help you do your research. Once you've chosen a niche, create a high quality content for your audience. The more original and substantial your content is, the easier it gets to position yourself as an authority in your field. Number 2. Understand your target audience. Affiliate marketing requires being able to understand what your audience needs and meeting that demand. You can better understand your target demographic by creating buyer personas, which are fictional representations of your ideal consumer's life, concerns, challenges and decisions. Your affiliate network can provide you with buyer personas, or you can create your own. Once you've figured out who your target audience and demographic, you can start creating affiliate marketing strategy which is tailored for them. Number 3. Leverage a multi-channel strategy. A multi-channel strategy outperforms any outcomes via a single platform. Your website, blog and email lists are all owned platforms. Social media channels such as Instagram, YouTube and Pinterest are examples of rented platforms. It is now a cardinal sin to leave social media out of your business model. YouTube is the second most popular search engine in the world for one thing, and there are 500 million active Instagram users worldwide every day. Content that works well across various social platforms brings your target audience to your own spaces, particularly your website and your blog. Rented platforms are great for growing a following, but if you want to keep marketing efforts safe from constant social media updates, you need to drive people to your sites too. Let's move on to strategy number 6. Become an influencer. Influencer marketing is popular with brands looking for clout with audiences that resemble their target customer. Brands are clamoring to sponsor content by productivity and stationery creator Amanda Rack-Lee, but you don't need to have Amanda's 2 million followers to make money online as an influencer. You will need an engaged following, but influencer marketing statistics show that influencers with as few as 1,000 followers, considered nano influencers, can get brand deals on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and Instagram. Anyone can create viral videos if you understand what your audience wants. Let me now tell you how to get paid as an influencer. The first thing is to open a store online and sell merchandise to your fans. You can sell sponsored posts to brands or become a brand ambassador or an affiliate. You can make ad revenue and offer exclusive content through platforms like Patreon. The Shopify Starter Plan is perfect for creators who want to get selling fast without building a website of their own. Or you can use a link in bio tool to superpower your social bio and push fans to your online store. You will need to meet minimum age requirements for each platform account to earn money online. Choose this money making idea if you have a flair for content creation and being on camera personality. Video and photo editing skills are a bonus. An e-commerce platform for selling merchandise may also be required. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below the video and don't forget to tell me which strategy or method from this video you are going to implement first. Or if you have any questions, drop them down below and I will follow up with you. If you would like to learn more about how you can create a second income online, I have got something special for you. Click the link below to join our exclusive webinar on creating a second income online. This isn't just a video, it's your ticket to an income changing opportunity. Make sure you don't miss out. Check out that link and go through to my website and I will see you at the webinar. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thank you for watching.